Hi. So last we saw were the bar plots, all right, and so we talked about the vertical bar plot and the horizontal bar plot. Now the last thing that I'm going to talk about is the pie chart. Okay, so again, pie chart is something we are all familiar with, and to do a pie chart, all right, is again fairly easy using the built-in library. All you need to do is, okay, so again we first make sure that we import, okay, matplotlib as pyplot, okay, and all you need to do is to call the function plot.py and y and labels equals to x. Okay, x are the, in this example, they are the grades. Alright, and then we can give a title as well, class performance. Okay, okay, so you can see the pie chart. Alright, so again, you have a lot of options, all right, on how you want to present your data, all right, and all you need to do is to explore all these different options to see which is the best visualization option that gives the user a clear understanding of the data. All right, so always remember, when we are doing plotting and visualization, the key objective is always that the reader or the person who is seeing this plot must have a clear understanding of the message you're trying to convey. Okay, what is the key takeaway by looking at this plot or graph or pie chart or anything? All right, so have that end goal in mind and then look at what is the best option to visualize the data. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.